Gun-hating liberals should prepare now. The Supreme Court is about to fire back on your war on guns, liberals. Thank you, Supreme Court. Finally, it will hear a Second Amendment case, one that could have far-reaching ramifications beyond just the case at hand. At issue is New York City's ban on carrying licensed, locked, and unloaded firearms outside the city limits. The idea that a law-abiding citizen cannot transport his own firearms in his own state outside his hometown is ludicrous. The city of New York, in previous cases, has had a difficult time explaining how someone bringing their own gun out of the city affects public safety in the city. It will be the first time in nearly a decade that the U.S. Supreme Court will hear a Second Amendment case, and the case comes at a time when the makeup of the court is the most favorable to the Second Amendment, and it has been in decades. This could be the start of something very historic. It could be the start of solidifying our Second Amendment rights for a very long time. This case has to do with guns outside the home. Unlike Heller and McDonald, which dealt with your right to keep and bear arms inside the home, the Supreme Court could move to rule in a much broader fashion to clear up many of the issues we see in liberal states and courts around the country that opt for squashing your Second Amendment rights rather than supporting them. I want to make it clear, this is a tribute to all the hard work done by the NRA and its members. This is what happens. This is proof when we get together of what can be done. But also make no mistake, this is just the start. As Stephen Halberg, constitutional attorney, said yesterday, this is not an electrifying case. This is a small step in starting the process. You know who wants to derail the process? The Democrats racing for the White House in 2020. It's called the disarmament primary for a reason, as you have candidates literally trying to out-anti-gun each other. It is the issue of their election. It is up to us to stop it.